Long before equations and exam papers, humans needed numbers just to survive, to check if every cow made it back from grazing. In this video, we trace how numbers actually grew, from simple counting to zero to negative numbers, and the exact arithmetic rules for all of them. Picture an ancient herder with no written numbers at all. For every cow that left in the morning, she'd drop one pebble in a pot. For every cow that returned, she'd remove one. Empty pot at day's end means every cow is accounted for. That's called one-to-one correspondence, matching one thing to another. That simple matching is literally the birth of the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, the plain counting numbers. For centuries after that, the number line only started at 1. If you had 5 apples and gave all 5 away, there was no number for that state, just nothing. It was the mathematician Brahmagupta, around 628 CE, who first treated that nothing as an actual number you could compute with, defining it as the result of subtracting a number from itself. A minus a equals 0. He then gave the working rules. A number plus 0 stays the same, a number minus 0 stays the same, and any number times 0 is 0. Brahmagupta didn't stop there. He asked, what if you subtract a bigger number from a smaller one, like 3 minus 5? To answer that, he grounded the idea in money. Positive numbers were fortunes, wealth you have, and negative numbers were debts, money you owe. Moving left of 0 on the number line gives you these negative numbers. Put positives, negatives, and 0 together, and you get the full set of integers. Here are the actual rules, still used exactly as Brahmagupta wrote them. A fortune plus a fortune is a fortune. 5 plus 4 were 9. A debt plus a debt is a debt. 5 plus 4 BF 9. Since owing 5 and borrowing 4 more means owing 9. A debt times a fortune is a debt. 3 times 4 ash 12. Since 4 debts of 3 add up to 12 owed. And here's the one that trips people up. A debt times a debt is a fortune. Our 3 times 4 plus 112. Think of it as removing 4 debts of 3 each. Taking away debt makes you richer, so the result is positive. Quick check. The question's on screen. Pause if you like, but try it first. 10 seconds, go. X6 times taka 5. A debt times, a debt is always a fortune. Positive. 6 times 5 is 30, so the answer is positive 30. Natural numbers came from counting, 0 came from Brahmagupta, treating nothing as a real number, and integers add negative numbers as debts with their own multiplication rules, especially debt times debt equals fortune. Free notes in the description. Next video, we push further into fractions and the numbers that hide between integers. Subscribe to Clarix.